this is a demonstration for a mass. We'll take the orange just like a mass, and we'll try to dissect from the right side. So you're holding the tissue from the right side and you're starting the dissection. So this is the dissection plane for the in the right side. Now we want to do it on the left side, so we just rotate it and we start the dissection in this side. Now what about if you want to do it from above? You can do like this. Now from below it's very difficult that you do it like this. You cannot do the dissection like this. So what we will do, actually we'll rotate it like this, so we can dissect it's your wrist and the forearm on the same plane, so you can dissect easier for you. And sometimes even from the above, you target the tissue by dissecting on this maneuver. So these are examples. And if you go to the more delicate tissue, actually you try to dissect the orange, so you feel yourself more controlling on the dissection. You can just get the plane in all the direction. You see here an example for this one. I cannot do it like this, so what I will do is only dissecting like this. Another example here. So what I will do, I will just rotate it and start the dissection, and so on. That's it.